Hello, I'm Kate. Today's video is about using time markers with the present simple tense. Just to remind you, we use the present simple a lot to talk about our habits and routines. So let's learn a bit more. Let's talk about my daily routine. I always drink coffee in the morning. I sometimes read the news in the evening. Let's focus on the underlined words. In these examples, I explained parts of my daily routine, and the underlined words give more information about how often I do these things. You can use time markers like always and sometimes to talk about how frequently you do an action. Let's look at some other time markers. You can use days of the week, parts of the day, and times of the day to talk about repeated actions. The word every can also be used with day, week, month, and year. These are all examples of time markers. Let's use them in sentences. Joanna meets her manager on Thursday mornings. I play football in the evening. We always drink tea at 5 p.m. They travel to the countryside every month. How can you make sentences with days of the week and with every? Let's take a look. You add time markers like days of the week and every after the verb. You use the preposition on with days of the week. Let's look at some examples. I usually call the clients on Monday morning. James arrives early for work every day. We go shopping on the weekend. What about with other time markers? How do you make sentences with parts and times of the day? You add parts and times of the day after the present simple verb. With parts of the day, like morning, afternoon, and evening, you use the preposition in. For times of the day, you use the preposition at. Let's look at some examples. Claire rides her bicycle in the evening. They usually leave their office at 6 o'clock. Now you can use the present simple with time markers. Today we learnt when we use the present simple with time markers and how we use different types of time markers with the present simple. Thanks for watching. See you later.